Hey, this is James Stafford from websitesmadeeasy.tv. And if you're wondering how to make money blogging in 2019, then stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to give you 8 proven ways to grow your blog from $0 to $1,000 a month of passive income. And as a bonus, I have something really cool that I can't wait to show you. It's called the hybrid homepage, which I've created to really get your blog visitors excited about your blog, deeply engaged, and most importantly, subscribing to your blog so they come back for more, building the know, like, and trust factor, and ultimately getting new customers. It's awesome. So just imagine for a minute having a blog that generates money while you sleep, allowing you to have more freedom in your life to do what you love, spending time with family and friends, or traveling, or just enjoying extra cash. And as a bonus, you get to help people with your blog. It truly is a win-win. And those are just some of the benefits you will enjoy with your money-making blog. You're gonna love it, so let's get straight into it. Number 1 is sponsored content. And what is sponsored content? Generally, when a brand, company, or individual pays you a fee in order to get their content or offer in front of your audience. And that means you'll likely need some semblance of a readership base before you're able to broker a sponsored content deal. And the best way to do sponsored content without alienating your readers is to weave it into your blog posts. Unless you already have a sizable email list or an option on another site or social account that you plan to use to drive traffic to your blog, it'll take you some time to grow your readership to a point where sponsored content is a viable monetization option. But the good news is there are much quicker ways to start monetizing your blog, like number 2, freelancing or selling your services. Now, if you want to start earning money from your blog right away, then selling your services is going to be your lowest effort option by far. All you really need in order to land your first freelancing client is a strong enough pitch, which is where your blog helps significantly. You'll want to build out your key pages like your About Us page and your Contact Us page, and maybe a Hire Me page, and showcase at least a couple of examples of the type of work you've done that you'll soon be pitching freelancing clients on. And if you don't have those work samples yet, don't let that hold you back. Spend a few days right now to create those example articles, designs, or other deliverables and host them on your own blog, as if they were a project you got paid to produce. If you have a skill that you can sell as a service, then you're already prepared to go out and start pitching potential clients. That skill could be something like, writing, design, photography, marketing, developing public relations, social media management, virtual assistants, community building, SEO or paid advertising, business strategy or project management. The list goes on and on. Number 3 is online courses. I love this one. And once you have a skill or experience that others want to learn, it's relatively easy to package your best advice and strategies, tactics, and tutorials into an online course where people can pay for access to accelerate their learning much quicker than they would otherwise by going through the stumbling process of learning through trial and error. Now, for example, over at Websites Made Easy, we sell our WTC system on a $1 trial for a full month, then $27 per month afterwards. Now, this is a win-win because we get to serve our audience with unbelievable content for a price that's very reasonable for people just getting started out online. Under $1 per day to build your business online. It's pretty killer. Now, this is so easy to get started with. We literally just send weekly emails out promoting the system to new and existing subscribers and link the emails straight to a checkout page to the $1 trial offer. Easy. What's killer about online courses as a monetization path for your blog is that you don't need a huge audience in order to start earning from your course sales. Once you have just a handful of readers on your blog, encourage them to interact with you, ask questions, offer free downloads, share your advice, and get them to join your email list so you can connect with them and learn about their biggest challenges as related to the broader topics covered on your blog. Pinpoint the ways you can uniquely help them by leaning on your own skills, knowledge, and experience. After you determine the right way to help a handful of your readers solve a real problem they're encountering, pitch them on pre-ordering your course and getting direct coaching from you in the meantime while you work on building out the actual course material. And you can do this through email or preferably by phone. Now, this will do 2 things for you. First, asking people to actually give you their hard-earned cash will validate that you're solving a real problem. Second, you'll get live test subjects to help build and curate your course content in real time over the coming weeks, and your course can emerge as the result of lessons learned and tactics proven from your direct coaching time. It's pretty awesome. Number 4 is traditional blog advertisements and joining ad networks. On my blog right now, you'll see a small advertisement in the right sidebar. And you can also weave these ads into your blog post so they're in context in terms of what the blog post is about. And the ad copy would reflect that or be something very similar to the post. Some major ad networks to consider installing on your blog would be like Google AdSense, buy-sell ads, and propeller ads, just to name a few. Number 5, podcast sponsorships. Another great way to start monetizing your blog is by launching a simple podcast for your readers. What's cool is podcasting gives you an excuse to interview some of the most interesting people in your industry, ultimately cultivating, creating relationships. And depending on the niche you're blogging about, it may be relatively easy to start booking interviews with some figures that you look up to in your space. Number 6 is affiliate programs, another awesome way to just get started with monetizing your blog. Now, every month I earn a good amount of passive income from affiliate programs I'm a member of. Here's how affiliate programs work. You get a special tracking link or coupon code from the company you're an affiliate for. Then you'll place that link within posts of your blog, emails that you send out to your blog subscribers, and weave it in anywhere else that you reach your readers. Now, when someone clicks on that tracking link and completes a purchase, then you earn either a set fee or a percentage of that sale. You're getting compensated for referring new customers to your affiliate partners. Now, some of the biggest brands have affiliate programs. Think about global companies like Amazon. Now, that is an awesome way to get started. Check this out. Say you have like a little book that you're recommending on your blog. Now, if someone clicks on that link and they go to Amazon and they buy the book and then they buy just tons of other things, you get commissions for everything they purchase just by clicking on your affiliate link. It is pretty awesome. You can also get started with other players in specific niches like online education, where brands like Creative Live, Skillshare, Udemy have lucrative affiliate programs. Number 7 is physical products and software tools. Now, similar in concept to launching an online course to your blog audience, another great way to monetize your audience is by selling a physical product or software tool to the people in your community. At the end of the day, this all comes back to solving the problems your blog readers have. Number 8 is business relationships. Of all the ways to monetize your blog, this is the most unpredictable. Who knows who you're going to meet as a result of building your blog? And what about future guests on your podcast? Now, the possibilities here for stumbling into partnership opportunities are endless. Now, as a result of sticking with my blog for several years, I've been able to use it as a tool to meet some incredibly talented entrepreneurs. Now, it's true that there aren't as many ways to authentically engineer the creation of these types of partnerships aside from growing your personal brand and reach of your blog, and then by being receptive to the creative people and ideas that come your way as others discover your blog. Now, on the flip side, if there's someone in your space that you really want to collaborate and work with, strategize on a way you can add value to their business first. Build a community of people that you know they'll want to reach to, and then start building a relationship with your influencer before pitching them on a collaboration idea. Okay, awesome. So now I want to share this bonus with you. It's called the hybrid homepage. I created the hybrid homepage to really get your blog visitors excited about your blog, deeply engaged, and most importantly, subscribing to your blog so they come back for more, building the know, like, and trust factor, and ultimately getting new customers. It's really the most effective way to apply these 8 ways of making money with your blog, because your blog will be set up in a way to authentically connect with a qualified audience. In other words, your blog will act as a magnet, attracting a quality audience that's hungry for your specific products or services. Now, it's a little bit more involved to get this set up, so if you'd like to learn how to apply the hybrid homepage to your blog or get started with your new blog, I will teach you step by step how to start a successful money-making blog. Check out the link above or at the end of this video. Now, I hope you've enjoyed these 8 ways of making money with your blog. I would recommend sticking with 1 or 2 to get started with and really get that dialed in. I started with affiliate programs and an online course. Now, this is all about having multiple sources of income, and your blog is the vehicle to make that happen. So congratulations, you are now set up for success with 8 ways to make money with your blog. Now, it's up to you to apply this stuff, and remember, information not acted on is useless. So my hope for you is that you take action on this and put this stuff to use. Again, to get started with your blog, check out my video where I teach you step by step how to start a successful blog and make money, and how to create the hybrid homepage, which again is an unbelievable way to really turn your blog into a money-making magnet. I really hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have, and you're on a very exciting journey here. There's so much you can do with your blog. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you're always first to know when I release new videos. Also, be sure to comment below and let me know what strategy you like best so I can make more videos covering this topic. Now, if you want to take your blog to the next level, be sure to check out my WTC system over at websitesmadeeasy.tv. So until next time, this is James Stafford, and thank you for watching.